A looming merger between the new electric vehicle company Lucid Motors and the SPAC Churchill Capital CCIV seems very likely to occur within the coming days. Despite there being no official announcement or confirmation that Lucid plans to merge with its SPAC, rumors circulating online have formed a very solid theory that has got many investors hyped up. In today's video, we'll be going over the 3 possible days we think that a Lucid CCIV merger could be announced based on the known theories and previous precedent. So let's get started. Hello everyone, this is Chris with MC Stocks. Remember to subscribe and hit the like button for more videos like this one. And as always, please remember to do your own due diligence when investing and seek a financial advisor for professional advice. So a merger between Lucid Motors and CCIV seems very likely given what we know so far about the connections between the two companies. We have the chair of the board of directors, Andrew Liveris, who is also an operating partner in CCIV, shown right on their website. And he has worked in the past with Churchill Capital CEO, Michael Klein, on previous merger deals. Furthermore, both CCIV and Lucid Motors have strong connections to a large foreign investor, the Saudi Arabian Public Investment Fund. The Public Investment Fund owes more than half of Lucid Motors after investing $1 billion into the company, and has plans to build a factory in Saudi Arabia in the near future. Likewise, Churchill Capital has successfully completed deals with the Public Investment Fund, even getting them to invest in their previous SPAC, Churchill Capital 3. So, with clear ties between Lucid Motors and CCIV, and with Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund as a common denominator, when do we think a merger will occur? We will go through our guesses in chronological order, based on previous merger and acquisition precedent, based on known upcoming events, and based on the known circulating rumors. Let's first start with the possibility that a merger could occur as soon as Monday, January 25th. But how could a merger occur so soon? No, it's not because it's the next trading day after this video. This guess is based on the precedent of what is called Merger Monday. Merger Monday refers to the practice by companies of announcing major mergers and acquisitions on a Monday. This would mean that Lucid and CCIV are finalizing the details of the deal during this weekend and will make the announcement first thing on Monday morning. So far, this Merger Monday precedence has raised the odds of guessing when a merger or acquisition may occur. Let's look at the stats of some previous years. According to the Corporate Finance Institute, 37% of all M&A deals, merger and acquisition deals, valued at $1 billion or better, were announced on a Monday in 2014. Furthermore, 33% were announced on a Monday in 2015. Simply looking at these statistics, we can see that Mondays have statistically been the 20% odds for picking any other day of the week. We do have to note, though, that there is no requirement for companies to announce their mergers or acquisitions on a Monday, and that these examples have merely happened to occur on Mondays. The Corporate Finance Institute acknowledges this, saying that Merger Mondays may be a thing of the past, with many announcing on Tuesdays and others announcing on Fridays. However, the Monday odds are not all for nothing, as we did see a revival of Merger Mondays in 2019, where 30% of the mergers occurred on a Monday. So where does this leave us with a Lucid CCIV merger? Why should it occur tomorrow? We do have some recent news that the governor of Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund, Yasir Al-Rumayyan, will be speaking on CNBC's Squawk on the Street program at 10 a.m. Eastern after markets open. Recall that Saudi Arabia is a big player in both Lucid Motors and Churchill Capital CCIV. If a merger were to occur, he could easily discuss this during this allotted time. However, an SEC filing does have to be published first before he can make any declarations on air. With this, we may be able to expect a merger announcement in the pre-market, followed up by his interview at 10 a.m. The combination of Merger Monday precedents and the Saudi Arabian Public Investment Fund governor being interviewed tomorrow raises these odds of the announcement being made tomorrow. However, there are of course no guarantees. The absence of the official announcement may cause the stock to dip from its recent highs after the 25% surge we saw on Friday. But if the stock does dip, it may be the perfect buying opportunity since we still have other opportunities for the merger announcement. Let's move on to the second date we think the Lucid CCIV merger announcement can occur during Saudi Arabia's annual Future Investment Initiative Conference. This conference is scheduled for this week on January 27th and 28th, and could possibly be the perfect venue to broadcast the announcement. This conference is Saudi Arabia's annual tech and innovation conference, where major projects and investment announcements are presented. But what would they want to announce at the conference regarding Lucid Motors? They could easily highlight the new car and all of its great features. With a sleek design, fantastic 500-mile battery range, and fast charging capability, it would be a challenge to not like the car. They could also highlight the impressive feat of how they were able to quickly build a factory in Arizona in under a year. Or better yet, they could officially announce the Lucid CCIV merger publicly. Given that Saudi Arabia is in a completely different time zone than the US, where nighttime in the US is the following morning in Saudi Arabia, the majority of the conference will be held during the after hours or pre-market. So, if a merger will occur and were to be announced at the conference, we may be able to expect it after hours on the 27th or pre-market on the 28th. Mark goes into further detail into why this conference is very important for both Lucid Motors and CCIV in one of our previous videos, so be sure to check that out. We'll leave a card for you on the top right to go to it directly. Once again though, despite this being probably the most obvious venue choice to make the merger announcement if one were to follow through, there are no guarantees. We can expect some run-up in CCIV price prior to this event, given how strong the Saudi Arabian connections are between Lucid and CCIV. Plus, at the very minimum, they will at least be presenting the new Lucid Air at the conference, generating more excitement for the EV. But without the announcement being made, some investors may grow skeptical out of disappointment, causing a dip once again. But fear not, we still have one more day where the announcement of a merger can occur, and that is the following Monday, February 1st. This guess is the most speculative of the three, as there are no reported events taking place on the 1st. However, it is a Monday, already giving us the raised probabilistic odds of the merger occurring based on a merger Monday precedent. But more importantly, it has given time for all players involved, Lucid, CCIV, and the Saudi Arabian Public Investment Fund, to meet and coordinate around the time of the Future Investment Initiative Conference. We will most likely see everyone involved in this potential merger at the conference. We have already seen Churchill CEO Michael Klein at previous conferences, and if Saudi Arabia was to present Lucid Motors, it would not be too far-fetched to assume that Lucid chairman and CCIV operating partner Andrew Liveris will be there as well. With all of these players together, and if the announcement is not made within the conference time period, the next best date would be February 1st. This gives them time to finalize the ins and outs of the deal after already highlighting to the world the advancements and innovations Lucid has made with their vehicle. Now we do have to disclose that this is purely speculation, as there is no official confirmation made claiming that such an announcement will be made, or that there even will be a merger between CCIV and Lucid Motors. However, with all the evidence, connections, and leaks falling very well into place, we are just presenting the highly probabilistic case that if there were to be a merger, it will most likely occur on one of those three dates. If you think that a merger will occur, it may be safest to buy and hold your positions during these dates and use any dips to add to your positions. If you have not yet bought shares of CCIV and are looking for a brokerage, be sure to use our referral links in the description below. M1 Finance is doing a great offer currently where you can get a free $30 using our referral link. So use the link below, earn an easy $30, and don't miss out. Good luck everyone with your holdings, and stay tuned on our channel for any news regarding the Lucid CCIV merger. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when we release our next video. Please like and share for more videos similar to this one, and comment below with any questions that you may have so that we can address them in future videos. Thanks.